Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and if you love the combination of mint and chocolate, then you are going to absolutely love these. This is the Ghirardelli squares, and this is the dark chocolate mint. Now, these are the perfect little bite to satisfy your sweet tooth, especially if you love a beautiful, creamy, minty filling. So it is not too sweet because it has that dark chocolate. But that super creamy mint filling is just sweet enough to really hit the spot. So I absolutely love these for a few reasons. They are made with a quality chocolate. They taste absolutely amazing. And I love that they're individually wrapped. So I can just take one chocolate square, maybe two, but I won't go ahead and eat an entire giant bar of chocolate or something like that. These help to slow me down a little bit. So I absolutely love that, and they're a perfect little treat. They also make an amazing gift because there's very few people who would not like to receive a nice high quality chocolate as a gift. So if you're looking for a very, very tasty little chocolate and mint treat, I would definitely recommend the Ghirardelli Squares Dark Chocolate and Mint. That's my point of view.